which is the hardest word to translate in the sentence. Those is easy to translate. Probably doesn't have a direct analysis in a lot of languages and cultures, but can be approximated. But the hardest word that is actually one of the most like you. As simple as it seems, it often impossible to accurately translate you without knowing a lot more about the situations where it's being said. To start with, how familiar are you with the person you are talking to? Many cultures have different levels of formality of love friend. Some was much older or much younger, a stranger, a boss. These may be wildly different use. In many languages, the pronoun reflects these differences. Through what's ignored and the TV restrictions in range, for example, you will say to when talking to your friend at schools, but fools when addressing your teacher. Even Ellis one has something similar. Remember the old timey rule? Ironically, it was actually the informal pronoun for people you are close with, while you was the formal and polite version. The distinctions were bold when the English decided to just be polite all the time. But the difficulty is translating you doesn't end there. In languages like horses or coroner, the you verb depends on the listener's gender. In many more, it depends on whether they are one or many, such as with drumming do or ear. Even in English, some dialects use words like you own or use the same way. Some neural forms like the range, foods, and roses, being are also used for a single person to show that the addresses is thus much more important. But like the rosal squee and a few languages even have a specific form for addressing exactly two people, like Slovenian fever. If the pronounce complicated enough, formality, number, and gender can all come into play at the same time. It's money, too, in unisys informal singular. Artist in unisys formal singular. For soldiers in masculine informal plural. For soldiers in feminine informal plural. And Eurydice in the unisys formal plural. Fool, after all that, it may come a relief that some languages often lay out the second person pronoun. In languages like Romance and pottery, the runners can be just from sentences, because it clearly implies by the way the words are conjugated. And in languages like Korean, Thai, and Chinese, pronouns can be just without any grammatical hint. Speakers often would rather have the listener grasp the pronoun from context than use the pronouns one and risk being seen as rules. So, if you are ever working as a translator and come across this sentence without any context, you and you, no, not you. You, your job is to translate you for yourself. Well, good luck. And to the volunteer community who will be translating this video into multiple languages. Sorry about that.